Hi friends, good afternoon. So again welcome to SQL Master channel, and this is Manju here, and today I am going to discuss with you about the things like how to implement the where clause, what is where clause and how to implement where clause in SQL Oracle. So here you can observe the thing where clause, if it's also a business logic. So where clause is basically a filter condition. So we have to fill the filter condition where clause if you want particular range of the records. So with example I will show you how to use the where clause in Oracle SQL. So you can see here the table, it contains ID 1 2 3 4 and names Manju, Anita, Guru and Swash, and the salary 4,500, 5,700, 6,000 and 4,000. So I want to load the record. This is a source table, you can see here. So this is what I can say, source table. I want to load to target. What records I want to load here is those employees who is having salary more than 4,500 rupees. So I want to load here. So then I can use where clause. So another example is here. So again this is employees names and these are the cities. I want to load here in target table those people who is belongs to Dharwad. Only those people belongs to Dharwad. I can load those people to target table. So this is what goes as business logic. This is very simple example I am going to tell you. So where clause is basically a filter condition where can we just retrieve the data within a particular range. So just for example here I can show you, select star from employees where, so I mentioned here where clause, where salary is greater than 4,500. So this is what the query goes like this, but I didn't create a table here like what I shown you in Excel. I didn't created the table here. So but I can tell you the things in queries. So this is what the queries goes like this. If you want to write for the query using where clause to load the people who belongs to city Dharwad only into target, how you can write the query like this, select star from employees, if table name is employees, where city is equal to Dharwad. So this is what the query goes like this. Inna bandil sir. So here query goes like this. So what you did here, you just retrieve the data from source and load into the target whose salary is greater than 4,500. And what goes here, you retrieve the data who employees belongs to city is equal to Dharwad. Those people who have belongs to Dharwad city, only those people records you are going to load into the target. So this is what the thing here, and this is very important, and these where clause is operates with relational operators, means like greater than, less than, equal to. So these are called as relational operators. This where clause is going to operate with only these relational operators. And if you want to what I already said you, if you want to fetch the records from belongs to particular range, okay, you can use where clause to fetch the records. This is very important to use the where clause in Oracle SQL. Okay, I think that you understood this where clause, and if you like this video, like it and share it, and kindly subscribe to my channel, SQL Masters YouTube channel. And again, with all the queries, okay, all the conditions, all the set operators, all the analytical functions, okay, one by one I will make separate videos to understand you perfectly, to understand these concepts. I make these videos here. Okay, and again I say you thank you, bye bye.